Gilson Brothers, Ööland.
I remember the sickness was forever. I remember snuff videos, cold Septembers, the distances we covered, the fist fights on the beach, the busies round us up.
Ting.
Väga hästi.
Someone crying like a child, and the boy you kicked Tom's head in still bugs me now. That's the thing, it lingers.
Ühelt kruiisilaevalt teisele, mõni kruiisilaev on veidikene väiksem.
I was far too scared to hit him, but I would hit him in a heartbeat now. That's the thing with anger, it begs to stick around. So it can fleece you of your beauty and leave you spent with now to offer. Makes you hurt the ones who love you. You hurt them like they're nothing. You hurt them like they're nothing. See, I spent my teens in rage, spiraling in silence, and I armed myself with a grin, 'cause I was always the joker, buried in their humor, amongst the white noise and boys, locker room talking lines, drenched in cheap drink and snipe bags, a mirrored picture of my old man. Oh God, the kid's a damn hard. Can't each other, but he looks sad. God, the kid looks so sad. She said that. So I thought about shifting gear, and now she wept and wept. Well, look came down on here. See my mother, DWPC number. She cries on the floor with comfort. I'm 17 going under. I'm 17 going under. I'm 17 going under. I'm 17 going under.
Top fashion.
kuidas Mägi meeldis?
Tere hommikust ja head isu. Jälle võileivad.
Weep for yourself, my man. You'll never be what is in your heart. Weep, little lion man. You're not as brave as you were at the start. Rate yourself and rake yourself. Take all the courage you have left and waste it on fixing all the problems that you made in your own head. But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my dear? Tremble for yourself, my man, you know that you have seen this all before. Tremble, little lion man, you'll never settle any of your scores. Your grace is wasted in your face, your boldness stands alone among the wreck. Now learn from your mother, or I'll spend your days biting your own neck. But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line.